Now your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So good chance of rain this afternoon. Rain chance at about 60-70%. Some of the rain could be heavy. What's the fly in the ointment in this forecast? What could happen that would make it go wrong? Well, the cloud cover. That's about the only thing I can see. The cloud cover could hold down the heating sufficiently that we don't get the updrafts that would create these showers and thunderstorms. But I think we're well on the way to reaching that point where we'll be able to do that. And with 84 degrees, the current air temperature, and a dew point now at 76, the atmosphere is very unstable, and all it needs is a little kicker to get it going. And I think that will come in the form of a little bit more heating, and then that little bit of a sea breeze trying to build and a southeasterly wind colliding with it. All of those things adding up together to give us good chances of rain. South wind coming in at about 9 right now. 3 p.m. rain chance, probably 60% or better. We'll have a temperature of about 87 degrees, and we'll watch some of the rain that's produced be heavy rain as well. So watch for that. And then as we head into the evening hours, I think we'll taper things off. The character of the rains today, as opposed to yesterday, slightly different. I don't think the rains will be as steady and linger as long. I think there'll be a little bit more cellular nature. The coverage won't be quite as great, but they'll be around, and they will produce some heavy rain at times. 10% chance of rain if we get into midnight, and tomorrow morning maybe some showers around again. So this is our future cast, and it's pointing to some fairly heavy rainfall at around 3 p.m., mostly in inland areas, I think. And then as we go into the evening hours, things kind of wind down as the heating of the day begins to dissipate, and we're left with some cloudy skies overnight. We'll do it all again tomorrow. Showers out in Gulf waters and thunderstorms as well have been rather persistent throughout the day today. A southeasterly wind flow continues to bring that moisture up, and we can already see some of the convergence creating old boundaries and forming new boundaries for showers to build and gradually drift in this direction. Right now, Hardee and DeSoto will be the first place that gets the rainfall, followed by coastal areas of Sarasota, Manatee County, Charlotte County joining in the mix as well. We've got lots of lightning pops out here in the Gulf, and we'll see them over land as well later this afternoon. And we have numerous locations where some of our rivers have exceeded bankful and have warnings for them. That's what these little green lines are. They're kind of tracing out the areas of area rivers where there are issues. And if you want the complete details on the timeline for that flooding and when the waters will recede, well, you can go to our website, mysuncoast.com. I've posted the little graphics that will show you exactly those things. Areas around Hidden River need to pay attention to that, as does Peace River Estates. 10-knot winds this afternoon and into the evening. Numerous showers and thunderstorms. Look for a daytime high of about 87, 60% chance of showers today and tomorrow. Good chances of rain. Then maybe some slightly drier air filters in. And over the weekend, we can reduce our rain chances a little bit down to maybe 40%. Get a little bit more sunshine as well as we head into possibly even Friday, but certainly into the weekend. And then next week, we'll up the rain chance just a little.